Is your law firm using email marketing to grow your business? If not, you're missing out on one of the most powerful tools for engaging clients, building trust, and generating leads. But here's the thing, email marketing only works if done right. Sending random emails here and there won't cut it. You need a structured strategy that keeps your firm top of mind with clients and prospects. In this video, we'll share the top 5 essential email strategies that law firms need to implement today. And if you want the full 13-point checklist, check out the blog link in the description below. Tip number 1, send consistent and valuable emails. Consistency is key. Your firm should be sending at least one high-quality email per week, and possibly more, depending upon your audience. Why? Because staying in front of your audience builds trust, and that ensures when they need legal services, you are the first firm that they think of. If you're not actively engaging your list, they may forget about your firm and go with a competitor when a legal issue arises. So, what should you send? Your email should provide real value, not just self-promotion. The best performing emails include legal insights on newsworthy cases, client success stories within ethical guidelines, of course, answers to FAQs, updates about your firm's services, and common legal mistakes and how to avoid them. When you provide expert content consistently, your firm remains top of mind and positions itself as the go-to legal authority. Tip number 2, automate your follow-ups. How fast does your firm respond to new leads? Studies show that leads are 10 times more likely to engage if they receive a response within the first 5 minutes. If you're waiting longer than that, you could be losing potential clients to firms that respond faster. This is where email automation becomes a game changer. By setting up automated email sequences, you can respond immediately, even if you're in court or meeting with a client. So, what are some key email automations for law firms? Instant follow-ups for website inquiries. When someone fills out a form, they should get an email confirmation immediately, followed by an introduction to your firm. Reminder emails for no-show consultations. If a lead books a call but doesn't show up, send a friendly nudge to reschedule. Lead nurturing sequences. If someone downloads a free guide from your website but doesn't contact you, send a series of emails explaining how your firm can help. Case progress updates for existing clients. Automated case updates help keep clients informed, reducing their need to call for status updates. With automation, no potential client falls through the cracks, and your team spends less time chasing leads manually. If you're using a platform like Go High Level, setting up these sequences is easy and can save you hours every week. Tip number 3, improve your email deliverability. Even the best email content is useless if it never reaches your client's inbox. If your emails are landing in spam or the promotions tab, your open rate will suffer dramatically. Email deliverability is all about making sure your messages get into the primary inbox, where they're more likely to be seen. Here's how to make that happen. Set up DKIM, SPF, and DMARC authentication. These are technical email security settings that prevent your messages from being marked as spam. Avoid spam trigger words like free consultation, guaranteed win, or 100% free. These can trigger spam filters. Encourage replies from your recipients. The more engagement your emails receive, the more likely email providers will see your messages as legitimate. Finally, use a recognizable sender name. Instead of sending from Law Office, send from John Doe Esquire. Improving deliverability doesn't just boost open rates, it also builds trust and credibility with potential clients. After all, if your emails land in spam, how will people ever know what your firm can do for them? Tip number 4, plan your email content in advance. One of the biggest mistakes law firms make with email marketing, not planning ahead. When you don't have a strategy in place, emails get sent inconsistently or they feel rushed. This leads to lower engagement and wasted opportunity. Instead, create a content plan that outlines what you'll send and when. So what do you put on this outline? You can use FAQs from your website. Expand on common legal questions in detail. You can talk about legal updates in the news. Explain how new laws or regulations impact your clients. You can share success stories and firm milestones. Showcase those past wins while maintaining confidentiality. And you can promote additional services clients may not know about. Educate your audience on how else you can help them. When you plan ahead, you avoid scrambling for last-minute topics and ensure that every email is high quality, relevant, and engaging. Tip number 5, use high-performing email formats. Not all emails are created equal. Some formats work better than others when it comes to keeping clients engaged and opening your emails. If you're only sending one type of email, your audience may lose interest. Instead, mix it up with different email styles that keep things fresh and engaging. So, what type of emails can you send? Educational emails that provide legal tips and insights, such as 5 estate planning mistakes to avoid. You could send story-based emails, share real-life case studies or personal experiences that illustrate key legal points. You can send engagement emails, include polls, surveys, or Q&A invitations to encourage interaction. You could send authority emails, highlight your firm's awards, media appearances, or testimonials to build credibility. And finally, you can send conversion emails. Directly promote your consultations, webinars, or legal services with a strong call to action. When you mix up your email formats, you keep your audience engaged and eager to hear from you, ultimately leading to more inquiries and more clients. Email marketing can transform your law firm's client relationships and lead gen, if you do it right. By implementing these 5 strategies, you'll increase engagement, build trust, and generate more clients for your firm. Want the full 13-point checklist with even more advanced strategies? Check out the blog link in the description. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more legal marketing tips.